Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from YumeTwins. This is a Kawaii subscription box that comes all the way from Japan, and you get free shipping worldwide, so they do ship everywhere, which is really awesome. It looks like we got the July 2019 box, and the theme is pool party. So I assume this has all the products on here. Yep. Okay, I'm just going to set that aside, and I'll show it here at the end. So the first thing I'm pulling out, our kids have something like this. It's a little ice cream scoop, but this one looks like you could put water in it. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. And it looks like it has all different characters on there. Hello Kitty and some other guys. It's very awesome. Kids will definitely love that. Then we also have a Sailor Moon canister. I'll go ahead and open that up so you can see what it looks like. Very pretty canister. And it says Moonlight Fairy on it, and then has Sailor Moon. I love that. And it pops off just like that. Next up, oh, it's Kirby. How cute. And it looks like it's a balloon that you can blow up. So I'll go ahead and blow that up as well. Show you what that looks like. And then we have Tama. Hopefully I said that right. I know he's a really popular character. And I think this is just little sticky notes or like a notepad. I'll show you the book here in a minute so that we can check it out. And then we just have little keychain. Very cute. And the last thing in the box looks like a little purse. Little coin purse. It's real soft too, surprisingly. There's some styrofoam in it so that it keeps its shape. Really adorable. Kirby is adorable, so you can use them as a beach ball, or it does have this little rubber band thing on there where you can put your finger through it and bounce them. So awesome. So I will go ahead and show you the little booklet that it came with. So you got a Kirby. It looks like there's two different options for the hand fans, two different options for the Sailor Moon jar, the sticky notes. So it looks like there might be a couple different varieties options for this box. There's what the ball looks like inflated, photo contest, fan art of the month. Those are really cool. And it says every month all of our subscribers are automatically entered for a magical chance to win a prize. So very neat. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.